Plain Talk Reports, a TED Med publication. Dangerous Belief 28. Right now, there are plenty of vaccine doses available around the world. Doesn't that solve the global vaccination problem? Current evidence. It is true that we have hundreds of millions of vaccine doses available to be used, but they are not making it into patients' arms in low-income countries. Much is lacking: trucks, refrigeration, trained clinicians, syringes, local vaccine manufacturing, and fill-finish, among other things. Result? Dose deliveries are falling. Vaccination rates are at their lowest ever in the pandemic, and wealthy countries will have to destroy hundreds of millions of expiring vaccine doses by the summer of 2022.